Good morning. I have to tell you, last night was really interesting. Look at this picture. Suds on the floor, that's right. Dishwasher gone mad. It was like an I Love Lucy episode. I know! Yes, I have a list of things I've got to pick up at the grocery store just to get my dishwasher back to. I mean, as if my life couldn't suck anymore. Anyway, I run into Eloise at the store the other day. Eloise is the mom of Bert. You don't know who Bert is, but he's one of I think the only person that actually go into work with me. And that's how it happened. You know, he came up to me, he said, Bill, I want to go to work with you one day and see what it is that you do. So it was like one of these Monday holidays, so I pick him up. I said, now, once you get there, you can't leave. I mean, I can't take you home once I'm on the air. You know, you're not through till 10. Yeah, I'll be fine. So he gets there and proceeds to go punch drunk. I don't know if that's a Southern phrase, but he's laughing hysterically. And believe me, it's not from anything I'm saying. And so every now and then I let him go in a production room and just kind of, lay his head down or sleep or whatever. But he did really well. And so I was kind of surprised at how he hung in there. I tell you this because, A, today is Bert's birthday. He is married with children. That's right. Payback is hell, my friend. And happy birthday and congratulations to you. We'll talk about YouTube another time. I just kind of wanted to share that. And interestingly enough, I don't even know if Bert knows this. When I moved out of my apartment D, it was as in disc jockey, I used to say. When I moved out to move into this house, the person that moved in was J-Mo, one of the drummers of the Allman Brothers Band.